94.3
This is Good Morning Mumbai with Rishi K.
Everybody is contemplating whether they should wear jackets or do this interview without jackets. Sanya is the most intelligent person. Gajju Bhai is the second most intelligent person. Neena ma'am, you and me, Ayushman, have failed in this department.
मैं वहाँ पे गया हूँ इस फिल्म के अंदर तो
मैंने तो आज कमाल ही कर दिया।
तो सबसे कम कपड़े नहीं आज
सबसे कम कपड़े आज ही मुझे
Neena ji, you are looking outstanding. You're looking beautiful. You're looking glamorous.
Really?
All the yoga seems to be working. It's so wonderful.
ऐसे ही कह रहे हो कि
No, I totally.
बोल रहे हैं।
No, but even last time when you came in with Pushan, I said Neena ji is the best looking person in the room.
Oh, so
Of course, there's only me and Pushan. So it is the Badhai Ho crew and Gajju Bhai. अपनी सुरीली आवाज में सुनने वालों को हाय हेलो कुछ तो कीजिए।
नमस्कार।
कोड रेड सब ठीक चल रहा है?
कोड रेड सब कुछ बढ़िया चल रहा है।
हाँ, इन्होंने कोड ग्रीन तो नहीं कर दिया उसे?
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं।
बढ़िया। Brother, I saw this very very interesting video of you with one of my true life idols, which is Professor Vatsa.
Yeah.
I have really literally grown up reading his columns and I really find them very very fascinating.
Yeah.
Was meeting him that fascinating?
It
Sanya
was
and
equally fascinating. He's 95 but so young at heart. He knows everything about sex. 95 साल की उम्र में. And the best part is he's so witty. You know, of course you have a lot of sex problems, sex related problems, but the kind of answers we read in print, मैं बचपन से मैं भी पढ़ रहा हूँ, and they're very fascinating.
Totally. And did you ask him whether he's still active?
We did. And why?
Yeah,
You should have. That's the first logical question.
We should have.
You're too busy hiding condoms and things like that. You should have asked them that most important questions. That, हमें भी तो आगे का सहारा मिले, you know, that kind of thing. गज्जू भाई आप तो सुपरस्टार हो गए यार। I was just saying कि जिस तरीके से आपने बिल्कुल अनप्लान्ड तरीके से अपने एक्टिंग करियर को लिया है, वेब सीरीज करते हुए, फिल्मों में नाम कमाते हुए, कहीं पे कुछ मालूम है कि कोड रेड जो चलता है वो प्लानिंग के साथ चलता है, एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी है, मीटिंग है, ये वो। एक्टिंग करियर पे कितनी प्लानिंग की जाती है, कितना केयर लिया जाता है और कितना आप फोरकास्टिंग करते हैं उसमें?
मेरी कोशिश यही रहती है कि जितने इंटरेस्टिंग रोल हो, बड़ा रोल छोटा रोल नहीं, कितना फिल्म की कहानी में कितना उसके लिए कहानी के लिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये मेरे लिए जरूरी होता है। इसलिए चाहे वो ब्लैक फ्राइडे हो, ब्लैकमेल हो या तलवार हो, तो उसकी वजह से ही ऐसी चीजें मेरी जिंदगी में आई। और फिर 2-3 साल पहले जो वेब वाला आ गया, डिजिटल वाला, TVF के साथ स्केच टेक कॉन्वर्सेशन विद डैड, तो उससे जो एक्टिंग का जो एक कीड़ा है वो उससे सेटिस्फाई होता है बहुत अच्छे तरीके से।
आपके एक मित्र हैं, बहुत घनिष्ठ मित्र हैं, मनोज बाजपेयी, जिन्हें आप बाजू बुलाते हैं
जी।
मनोज सेज यू आर अ बेटर एक्टर देन यू आर अ डायरेक्टर। वुड यू वांट टू आर्ग्यू विद हिम ऑन दैट?
नहीं, मैं मनोज को एडमायर करता हूँ और उससे चीजें सीखता हूँ। तो जिससे आप चीजें सीखते हैं उससे डिबेट नहीं करनी चाहिए, उसकी बात सुन लेनी चाहिए।
नहीं, खुद क्या समझते हैं आप? आर यू अ बेटर डायरेक्टर और अ बेटर एक्टर?
मुझे दोनों चीजें करना बहुत पसंद है कि मैं जब एक्टिंग करता हूँ तो डायरेक्टर को घर छोड़ के आता हूँ, और जब डायरेक्शन कर रहा होता हूँ तो एक्टर को घर छोड़ के आता हूँ।
अभी कौन आया था?
हाँ, अभी दोनों ही आए हैं।
Ma'am, this must be such an interesting part for you to play. You know, these are very interesting times that we live in. At one end, we look at ladies in the mid-30s who are going through perimenopause, and here's a character who's 50 plus who has a child. So, did that strike you right at the beginning? You know, a woman like this going through the kind of phase that she's going through.
I was very fascinated by the script when they told me the script, and I was just looking at my role and how I'm going to do it, and I never thought about anything else, nothing else, and I just did it. And like, I'm so different. I'm looking so different in the film than who I am. But we all are actually from Delhi, and we all know the nuance and everything about this character. So I think
I lived in Delhi for 3 years, and this little bit of a secret here that I want to break is that I did some television. Why don't you guess who wrote and directed the bit of television that I did? It's a great Kachraj Rao.
गज्जू भाई।
और इनको ये भी बता दीजिए, आप हमें बुलाते क्या थे सेट पे? क्या बच्चा बुलाते थे आप?
मद्रासी बच्चा।
मद्रासी बच्चा कहाँ है?
ये बहुत एकदम थिन पतला,
ये
हाँ, पतले दुबले हुआ करते थे।
I used to work at Times FM those days, and I used to report. I used to be भूखा प्यासा
और फुर्तीला।
फुर्तीले तो हम अभी भी हैं सर, बिल्कुल। But he's just remarkable. So in one way, ma'am, these are very interesting times for actors. But you also worked in those interesting times for actors. I mean, how do you compare somebody like a Shyam Babu, who you worked with, somebody like a Kundan, who you worked with, who are making radically different cinema for their time? And here you have a whole new breed of people like Amit, for example, who you're working in this. Do you think that parallel cinema has now become mainstream?
it is very different. Like With Sham, I have done a lot of work like Mandi, Susman, Trikal, and even a film on soyabean with a song and all that. Like 1 hour film on soyabean and all. The whole technique and the genre. Like for example, if you see Suraj Ka Satwaं Ghoda, have you seen it?
Of course.
It is something else.
That's Rajat and yourself.
Rajat and me.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that is not Pushon's film.
No.
That one, Rajat and me.
Yeah. Rajit Kapoor and
Yeah,
you.
Rajit Kapoor now.
Sham Babu's favorite Rajit.
Yeah, Sham Babu's favorite. So the commercial cinema, I didn't do much at that time. I did more of the art cinema. But right now it's totally changed. Right now it's very, very real and realistic and handling problems which are day-to-day problems, things like Padman, things like that are being made. Like all his films, Ayushman's films. But that time there was something I can't explain. A mysterious something about those films. You know, the whole technique. हम लोग डरते थे, हम जैसे आज हम डायरेक्टर से बात करते हैं, पूछते हैं या सवाल करते हैं, हम थोड़ा ना श्याम बेनेगल से कुछ पूछ सकते थे। 2 महीने का शेड्यूल है तो हर रोज सारे एक्टर 1 घंटा बस में बैठ के सेट पे जाके तैयार होके बैठते थे, चाहे रोल आएगा चाहे नहीं आएगा।
Really?
Wow.
You know, Pankaj Kapoor sat for 1 month before his role came.
Oh my God.
1 month without working, but going to the location.
Wow.
उनका शॉट 1 महीने बाद आया।
1 महीने बाद आया।
And these days, brother,
Director के दिमाग में होता था कि क्या करना है, कब करना है.
Because sometimes he might want you as a part of, because they were big cast films, no? So he might need you one day and you are not there. And it was like 1.5 hours by bus.
wow. But there were bound scripts, ma'am? Or was a lot of the scripting also done?
नहीं, scripting was done there also.
Oh, that explains it.
Bound भी होता था, but improvisation बहुत होती थी. और हम लोग ना तपस्या ये होती थी वो एक.
What a
आजकल
wonderful
बहुत
thing to
फर्क,
say.
आजकल दूसरी प्रकार की तपस्या तो अभी भी है, but that was very different time.
And brother, you will testify that in these days it's very rare to even both the singers to come together to do a duet in the studio because timelines don't match.
Absolutely.
What a wonderful coming back together with your longtime friend Rochak Kohli. I know you guys have been collaborating it together. I just love the song.
Thank you.
What you guys have done with it. It's an old school ballad done in a modern way. So talk about that, yeah?
It's all Rochak, in fact. It's his baby and he's the composer. Kumar wrote the lyrics and I just crooned the song and I think it's a beautiful, beautiful song and goes with the arc of the story in that particular situation. And it's Punjabi again, same zone as Pani Da Rang, Saadi Gali Aaja, Mitti Di Khushboo. It has the same flavor.
And I remember you telling me once saying that you don't mind conversing in Hindi and doing Hindi cinema, but when you sing, you prefer mouthing Punjabi lyrics. You prefer because it just rings a little more true to you.
It has a certain spunk. Punjabi lyrics in mainstream Indian cinema, it has a certain spunk. Like not just Punjabi. If you include Gujarati lyrics or something which is not generic.
Yeah.
I think it's just like Dina ji told me, Hanju is a very good word.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Just the language or something which sounds exotic for Hindi cinema. So it's just that.
So what happens? I mean, in Naina Jodi, they are having a problem, isn't it? It's a situational kind of song.
Yeah.
On that note, brother, sing.
तेरे बिन सांस ना ले मेरे दिन रात खाली खाली लगते हैं लकीरों वाले हाथ साथ मेरे चलते चलते हाय साथ मेरे चलते चलते रास्ते न मोड़ी नैन न जोड़ी किते नैन न जोड़ी.
Ayushman Bhava. Brother, beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you.
Part of the reason why you're an actor is you get to choreograph Amir Khan and after that you get to get your hands dirty playing a rural character and here you playing a slick, cool urbanite. Yeah, tell me about your role.
Delhi girl.
Yeah. No, but it's she's upmarket Delhi girl, no? She's what, South Delhi girl.
Yes,
Tell
she
me.
is. Though Pataka happened after Badhai Ho, but it was I think it's a very it's the only character that I can relate to. Like Babita was different, Meloni in Photograph was different, and obviously Chutki is somebody that I can't relate to at all. But this one was like kahin na kahin it was like me only. But I had so much fun shooting. We were shooting in Delhi and Delhi is home, so I could go and meet my family anytime. And shooting with them was very, very special because they're wonderful actors and I feel really grateful to God and I feel very blessed that I'm getting to work with such amazing people, such amazing directors and इतने अच्छे अच्छे एक्टर्स के साथ काम करने का मौका किसको मिलता है? सान्या को.
Sanya is improving.
Wow.
Very good. Wow. Very good.
So you're throwing baby shower for mothers. Is that happening tomorrow or day
That's
after? I
happening
think that's a
tomorrow.
superb idea. How nice is that?
Yeah.
You know, I'm done with the cliched movie marketing.
Yeah.
You know, I know you still have to do the trail. Don't stop doing the trail, but but just to do something out of the box. You know, the marketing team to come up with it and you guys to do it. So what's happening?
Like if you have an edgy and bizarrely humorous film like Badhai Ho, then of course marketing team also thinks about ideas which are completely out of the box and creative.
Very
None
nice.
of the ideas to interact with, to have a baby shower for all the pregnant women in Bombay. So that'll be a lot of fun. I just hope we've just come across somebody who's in 40s and 50s.
That is asking for too much. It's pushing it. But do you remember if Taira had a baby shower for both the children?
Yeah,
You
I
did.
remember.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did somebody from the family do it outside? Can you
was
share
while
some
I was
memories of
shooting
that?
for Vicky Donor.
Yeah?
Yeah. So it happened during that time. I was shooting in Delhi, so I came to Chandigarh, went to Chandigarh for like a couple of days for baby shower.
ये जैसे गांव में जाते हैं ना हमारे ड्राइवर वगैरह
प्रेग्नेंट करके आ जाते हैं
कहते हैं हाँ बेबी शावर से तो मैं शूटिंग कर सॉरी
उस टाइम
सॉरी
पे शूटिंग चल रही थी यार
But you know,
वैसे मतलब अलग अलग नहीं रह रहे
प्रेग्नेंट करके आ जाते हैं
करके आ जाते हैं
अच्छा एक चीज है इंडियन पॉपुलर फिक्शन में ड्राइवर का प्रेग्नेंट करना ये बहुत प्रचलित है आई डोंट नो व्हिच राइटर थॉट ऑफ दिस बट ये एक बहुत अच्छा ड्राइवर के साथ भाग गई अच्छा ड्राइवर के साथ सीन हुआ इसका
ड्राइवर एकदम रंगीन
ऑलवेज द
हाँ
क्लोज हेड ऑफ द फैमिली ना
आगे वो
कोई शक भी नहीं करता
आपको याद है सूरज का सातवां घोड़ा में वो घोड़ा उसको कहते थे तो प्रेग्नेंट नहीं होती थी तो उसका हस्बैंड बहुत बुढ़ा था तो रोज सुबह 5 बजे गंगा में स्नान करो तो वो घोड़े पे जाती थी मतलब टांगे पे जाती थी रोज सुबह
बेस्टियलिटी व्हाट
What is he saying?
तुम तो रहने दो विक्की डोनर के बाद शुभ मंगल सावधान रहिए तुम्हारा तो वन ट्रैक पे ही चलता है
बताओ
नहीं, उनका कहने का मतलब था कि आदमी जब जानवर के साथ संभोग करता है
मैंने उतना
अश्वपुत्र
अश्वपुत्र
नहीं तो
वायुपुत्र अग्निपुत्र अश्वपुत्र
अच्छा मेरी बात तो सुन लो ना कितनी
हाँ,
अच्छी
sorry,
बात बताई थी
sorry,
मैंने। तो घोड़े टांगे में रोज जाती है सुबह 5 बजे स्नान करके आती है और फाइनली वो प्रेग्नेंट हो जाती है घोड़े वाले से टांगे वाले से ना इट्स अ सटली डन थिंग
But I actually asked a very harmless question about Taira and your baby shower. That happened fine.
That happened fine.
The reactions to Pataka and the reactions to Andhadhun. Brother, what a journey it was, that film, yeah. Such a trippy film. My God. You guys must be so happy. Come on.
I'm very, very,
Express
very
your
happy.
happiness. What's the nicest compliment you got or the nicest stretch of compliments that you got?
Nothing. Somebody told me that they saw Pataka and when they didn't know ki I'm there in the film. So they Googled it and then they got to know that I'm the one who was there in Dangal as well.
Wow.
because
So
you,
that
you can't recognize you
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was really
totally,
happy.
yeah.
Thank God.
And brother, what are some of the nicest ones? Memorable
Andhadhun
ones?
is a crazy ride, and it is something which I always wanted to do. And this is the first time I approached a director and asked him to take my screen test because nobody was expecting me to do a thriller or something of that genre. So that happened, and of course compliments are pouring in. People are saying it's my career best or something like that,
Arey wah.
which is very overwhelming. But I still feel it's yet to come.
But you knew you had a winner in your hand because each time I spoke to you about the film, you said, "Man, it's a crazy film. It's a wonderful film."
Yeah.
Something inside told you that this is going to
of
work.
course, I was expecting good critical acclaim, but the kind of commercial success that we're getting is very overwhelming. So I'm happy. That
And it's
we're
the kind
getting
of film also that spreads because of word of mouth.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, और तलवार के साथ भी यही हुआ.
तलवार के साथ भी यही हुआ था
You know, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने दूसरों को बताया ये वो फिर लोग गए.
मतलब उसका फ्राइडे कुछ कम था सैटरडे बढ़ा संडे बढ़ा और फिर हफ्ता पूरा
और मंडे फ्राइडे से बड़ा था.
Yes.
And even last year you sat in the theaters for 8, 10, 12 weeks with Shubh Mangal and Bareilly, and this year again you will sit in the theaters for 8, 10, 12, God knows how many weeks. And these days it's a huge thing because if your film is in the theater for the second or the third week, people say it's super hit. Yeah. Let's talk about the people who are not represented in this interview, which is Amit, your director.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Sheba ma'am. Let's
Yeah.
talk about Surekha ji. Yeah, Surekha Sikri. Amit के बारे में क्या स्ट्राइक किया आपको? वो भी एड फिल्में बनाता
वो भी
है.
एक्शन बनाता है और हम दोनों एक साथ प्रदीप सरकार जी प्रदीप दा को असिस्ट करते थे दिल्ली में तो वो जर्नी अपने आप में एक इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी है कि अचानक 15-16 साल बाद उसने मुझे ये रोल ऑफर किया और जो उसकी दिल्ली की समझ है, उसके मिडिल क्लास की समझ है, और जिस तरह के तजुर्बे के साथ वो विज्ञापन बनाता है, तो वो जो एक मिडिल क्लास की दुनिया को वो बना पाए, वो बड़ी कमाल थी। मतलब जब हम लोग सेट पे पहुंचे, जो घर के अंदर की सीन है वो बंबई में कुछ दिन के लिए हम लोगों ने सेट पे किए, तो वो वैसे ही घर थे जैसे मैं दिल्ली में रेलवे कॉलोनी में जिन घरों में मैं रहा हुआ हूँ। वो सेट नहीं लगते हैं कहीं पर भी। अगर आप किसी की आंख पे पट्टी बांधकर उसको अंदर पहुंचाएंगे।
ये कहाँ है, दरियागंज में?
नहीं, ये जो हम लोगों ने सेट क्रिएट किया बॉम्बे में, और उसके बाद जितने आउटडोर और कॉलोनी के सीन है वो हम लोगों ने दिल्ली में किए। तो वो बड़ा एक रिमार्केबल था कि जिस तरीके से, और वो उम्र में मुझसे छोटे हैं, लेकिन जो उनका पहनापन है चीजों को लेकर और जितने जिद्दी है वो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि वो ऐसी चीजों को जाने नहीं दे रहे थे आसानी से। 2 टेक, 3 टेक, 4 टेक, और हर क्योंकि डायरेक्टर का काम होता है नेविगेट कराना, उंगली पकड़ के चलाना। एक्टर को तैरना नहीं आता है, वो समझ लीजिए कि वो स्विमिंग कोच है डायरेक्टर, और उसको वो तैरना सिखा रहा होता है हर प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर, हर काम में, हर सीन के अंदर। रोज किसी न किसी चीज में एक्टर अटकता है, उसके लिए धुंधला होता है, अंधेरा होता है, सुरंग होती है, तो उसके पास हर चीज के लिए कोई टिप्स होते थे, हैंडल होते थे कि आप ऐसा कीजिए गजराज जी, ऐसे करते तो ऐसा होता है, शादियों में ऐसा होता तो ऐसा होता है। वो बड़ा रिमार्केबल लगा।
Ma'am, does the past project of a director matter, or is it just the part of the role that is offered to you? Did you, for example, go back and watch Teva, which is Amit's last film? Did you inquire about it, or is it just this is what is offered to Neena Gupta and that's why you do it?
Script number 1, role number 2, bas, khatam.
But you met him, na? He narrated to you and things like that.
No, he didn't narrate to me.
Wow.
The writer narrated to me, and after he narrated to me, I said, "बोलो कब shooting करनी है?" And उसके कुछ दिनों के बाद I went and met Amit, and मेरे को इतना धक था कि किसी और को ना चला जाए रोल. I liked it so much, so I knew nothing about him.
And I love the fact that you people, are putting yourself out there. It's so sweet that somebody who's as accomplished as you turns around and goes on to social media and says, I'm looking for great work. This is the second time he's telling me this, and he's making no bones of the fact that he went out and reached out to Sriram Raghavan. आप करते हैं सर? आप
मैं
नामचीन डायरेक्टर जिनको पसंद करते हैं आप, जैसे मेघना को आपने फोन किया, कि मेघना ने आपको फोन किया फॉर एग्जांपल?
वो विशाल जी ने मुझे अप्रोच किया था उसके लिए, तलवार के लिए। विशाल जी ने बुलाया कि भाई गज्जू ये रोल है और मैं ये फिल्म में कर रहा हूँ, मेघना डायरेक्ट करेंगी, तो मैं अप्रोच करता हूँ डेफिनेटली। जैसे एक बड़े नामचीन डायरेक्टर हैं इम्तियाज अली, तो उनको मैं बीच में मैसेज छोड़ता हूँ कि
नामचीन तो आपके साथ एक्टर में थे दिल्ली में।
पिछले 10
ये
साल
मैं
से
एको करके प्रोमो बना के इम्तियाज को व्हाट्सएप कर
पिछले 10 साल से उनको मैं मैसेज कर रहा हूँ कि मुझे कोई एक पार्ट दें वो अपनी खूबसूरत फिल्मों में, जहाँ पे ईस्ट यूरोप में कहीं शूटिंग हो। ये भी लेकिन विज्ञापन में, जैसे जब भी मैंने 2 महीना इसमें बिजी था, तो एड फिल्म्स का प्रोडक्शन हाउस है मेरा, मैं डायरेक्ट करता हूँ। तो अब जब काम कम हो गया तो मैंने तुरंत से जितने भी क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर्स को मैं जानता हूँ उनको मैंने मैसेज कर दिया, व्हाट्सएप कर दिया, फोन कर दिया कि भाई मैं अब खाली हूँ, मुझे प्लीज आप काम दीजिए, क्योंकि काम मांगने में कोई शर्म नहीं होनी चाहिए।
इम्तियाज को पता है क्या करना चाहिए? आपको, आशीष विद्यार्थी को, मनोज बाजपेयी को, सुजीत सरकार को, सबको कास्ट करके ले जाना चाहिए कहीं। बवाल मचेगा। These are all childhood friends, यार। Lovely, and look at what a creative bunch of people they are. It's amazing.
ऐसे ईस्ट यूरोप से याद है कि मेरी अंधाधुन पहली बार विदेश में शूट हुई है। मेरी आज तक कोई फिल्म जो है ना हरिद्वार से आगे नहीं गई।
Brother, you need to start asking your producers.
पोलैंड में शूट हुआ है।
Well done, brother. Poland and Pune. You need to start asking your producers if you're giving the garib look.
गरीबी
You shouldn't give the garib look, Like for example, when we went house hunting, I told my wife to stay at home because she gives a very posh look. It's very important, brother.
Of course.
Tell me about Shiva. I mean, she's your mom, and again, it's like Gajju Bhai and Surekha's interplay. I've seen such little of it, but it seems a very interesting dynamic there.
She is amazing. That lady has a sense of humor. I remember first day when we were shooting together. I love her. She's an amazing actor, and I just couldn't stop laughing. किसी और का टेक चल रहा था और मैं गिर रही थी अपनी सीट से, क्योंकि वो ऐसे बहुत ही स्ट्रेट फेस उनका मतलब ह्यूमर है, बहुत ही क्रेजी जोक्स मारते हैं वो, बैठे बैठे कुछ ना कुछ बोलती रहती हैं। शी इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग यार, शी इज़ अ वंडरफुल एक्टर। जितने भी सीन मेरे साथ उनके थे बहुत मजा आया मुझे।
She was also in Damlaga character. She played my Bua, and she's very versatile. If you see how she's played my Bua in Damlaga character, she was so earthy and simple. And this one, she's playing an IS officer in the film in Badhai Ho. So that shows her versatility as an actor.
Are you more embarrassed of your mother, or are you more embarrassed of your father in this film?
Listen, it's a typical male mentality that they will not confront their mother.
Yeah.
If in such a situation, he is just blaming his father कि माँ तो नहीं कर सकती, बाप ने कुछ बखेड़ा किया है. This thing has happened, so I'm not facing my mother in this one. I'm only, just
Looking hard at this guy,
at my
yeah.
father.
That's interesting. And it brought back some wonderful memories because when I was a little kid, I was middle school or junior school, and I saw my mother seeing Bold and the Beautiful, which used to be a serial at that time. And I had the guts to go up and tell my mother, "ये आप क्या देख रही है?" As sons, you suddenly feel that you know it all. And you can enjoy and you can have sex like in your case.
Exactly.
But उनकी उम्र निकल गई है and things like that. So I think in that aspect, it brings about some wonderful things. And there's a great ensemble cast, like people in the colony who are pulling your leg.
And Gular is very good also.
Yeah, younger brother.
The younger brother.
Shardul. He's from actually Roorkee and his language it's amazing. उसको कुछ सिखाने की जरूरत नहीं. I think अमित एक ही बंदे को नई एक्टिंग सिखाई उसने, वो था शार्दुल.
सबको करके दिखाता था.
हम सबको करके दिखाता था. फिर उसने शुरू में करके दिखाया, फिर एक बार मुझे बोला I think इसको रहने देते हैं.
आप तो मुझे लगता है कि बंगाली ही हैं.
नहीं, मैं
बांग्ला बोलते हैं
बांग्ला
आप.
बोलता हूँ, मैं राजस्थान से हूँ.
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ
पत्नी के साथ बंगाली में बात करते तो बंगाली है ना.
सो दुर्गा पूजा में क्या कर रहे हैं इस बार, हमें सब बताएं. कहाँ जाते हैं, किसके यहाँ
दुर्गा
जाते
पूजा
हैं?
में लोखंडवाला वाली पूजा जो है,
अभिजीत वाली.
वहाँ पे हम लोग जमावड़ा लगाते हैं.
अभिजीत वाली पूजा क्या?
पंडाल जो
वाला
लगता है,
बैक रोड में ब्रदर, जहाँ सेलिब्रेशन क्लब है,
वो
ऑर्गेनाइजर है उसमें.
अच्छा. अभिजीत हो.
अभिजीत सिंगर और बिजॉन दासगुप्ता जो आर्ट करते हैं.
कौन है?
तो मेनली तो वहीं पे जुहू में जो होता है वहाँ पे जाना होता है.
Ma'am, what is it that you like to eat during Diwali? What is your favorite mithai? Or do you have a sweet tooth at all?
I don't have a sweet tooth. I have a namkeen tooth.
So what do you eat in Diwali?
My favorite is vada pav, bread pakoda, puri aloo, like that.
Samosa?
That you can eat all time at any time of the year. But during Diwali, is there anything that you look forward
मैं
to?
मीठा नहीं खा सकती. मेरे को मीठा खाना मना है अब, तो मेरा वजन भी मैं देख रही हूँ, तो मैं मीठा नहीं खा सकती.
वो खाया बनाना वॉलेट केक अभी थोड़ी.
आपने कहा
नीना जी
खा लो,
secret से कभी
आपको देख के मैंने खा लिया.
मैंने कहा खा लो, मैं डॉक्टर हूँ यहाँ पे.
मेरे फेवरेट है छैना मुर्गी.
Okay. How can one maintain fitness at all during festivals? Do you feel a little guilty considering you're so fit? You're a choreographer, you're a dancer, you're an actress. What happens during Dussehra, Diwali, Navratri?
I put on weight.
You manage to still go to the gym. How do you keep a check on your fitness levels?
I love working out here, and thanks to Dangar, like I was very unhealthy before that. Like I used to have a pizza slice every day, and since I used to live alone, तो घर पे कोई होता नहीं था बनाने के लिए, तो I every day used to go out and have a pizza. But it's been 3 years, and I work out. I make sure that I work out thrice a week. Nothing major, but I keep myself active. Like I go for a walk. I love walking, and I love running also.
Bhai, what do you like? What have you, even if you don't like it anymore, like to receive during Diwali and the festive season? Like हमारे यहाँ होता था कि नया जोड़ा है, कपड़ा मिलने वाला है. You know what I mean? So is there a gift that you used to look forward to when you were a kid?
As a kid, I used to hate when people used to gift me clothes.
Why?
I was only interested in toys. कोई भी अगर कोई दे देना कपड़े पहने हो, कपड़े कौन देता है? बच्चों को उसका कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. But as an adult, I only like to eat. I have a crazy sweet tooth. I like every kind of Indian delicacy, like from rasgulla to gulab jamun to imarti, jalebi, everything. Like I remember we used to go uphill like to Kasoli from Chandigarh for a drive. My friends used to have beer and everything. So me and my brother, we used to take 1 kilo ka ek dabba and put all the mithais and eat on the way. That was kind of the addiction.
मोतीचूर you don't like?
I love motichur. वो भी अच्छा बस.
गज्जू भाई,
बेसन का और भी अच्छा.
आप अपने टाइमलाइन पे इतने सारे क्रिकेटर्स के, स्पोर्ट्समैन के फोटो लगाते हैं, जैसे लियांडर पेस हुआ, रोहित शर्मा हुआ, वगैरह वगैरह. विराट कोहली का जन्मदिन है. His birthday is coming up. Sanya has already given me a bite for that when she came for Pataka.
I said I don't.
But कुछ आप कहना चाहेंगे विराट को? उनका जन्मदिन है, हम लोग मना रहे हैं. Any message that you would like to give to Virat?
विराट को उनकी सारी उपलब्धियों के लिए विराट बधाई हो.
Ayushman, what do you think of Virat?
Virat Kohli is a living legend. He's a captain of our Indian cricket team, and not just that, he's a world superstar. Not just a superstar in a country, but he's a world star, and we are really proud of him. And I can wish him all the luck for all the future tournaments. He should get the World Cup again for India. And a couple of he is younger than me, but I'm a fan. I'm a huge Virat Kohli fan.
Last question, Sania. Where do you want to bring in the new year? What is your ideal way of bringing the new year?
I usually sit at home and eat pizza, but this time I'm thinking I'll go to London. My best friend has moved to London, so I'm going there.
Wow.
Christmas in London and New Year. Well done. I can't wait to see Badayo. I can't wait to see Badayo. Thank you, Neena Gupta. Thank you, Gaju Bhai.
Thank you, Rishi.
Thank you, Ayushman, and thank you, Sania.
Thank you.
Thank you.